In this video, you are going to see how to put two pictures in on page with the caption in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. Let us select this picture and hold down the control key and select another picture and click on insert. Then the two pictures will be inserted, but I can move it freely or I can keep it properly. Click on the first image, go to crop, go to aspect ratio and let us crop it in a perfect size. Click on 16:9 and click on outside. Then click on the image, go to wrap text, make it in front of text. Now I can move it freely. Now here I have the second image, I can move it, click on it, go to crop, go to aspect ratio and make it 16:9 and click on outside. Again select it, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now I can put it like this. Here the size of the first image is 3.66 and the second one also 3.66. If you want to change its size, you can change it from here, make it 3.4, also make it 3.4. Now if I want to add the caption, now let us rearrange it like this. Click on the first image, go to reference and click on insert caption, and from label choose picture and let me write here image 1 and click on OK. Now select the text by clicking the double click, go to home, make it center. From over here you can uncheck the italic, even you can increase the font size. Now select this image, go to reference and click on insert caption and write here image 2 and click on OK. Then the caption will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.